everyone! Come and join us at the Toronto Railway Museum. Let's begin.
This is the John Street Roundhouse, where the trains used to turn around. I think it was 1929.
This is right across from the CN Tower also, so another really cute site to show here downtown.
That's it. If we get closer, we'll show the old trains.
This is so cute.
The old GO train.
Actually, I'm going to throw a little bit of a Disney conversation here while we're looking at a old train station or train scene. Walt Disney loved trains, and as a lot of us Walt Disney fans know, he had his own little miniature train in his backyard, in his personal backyard at home.
Here's the old GO train. What a difference. Now it's too high. Railway lands. It was 1966, 1950, 1876. Pretty wild.
Beautiful.
I'll show you the old trains. Old locomotive. That thing is huge.
Love it. A lot of beautiful sights to see here in our own backyard in Toronto.
Yeah, true. Yeah, get a little closer.
Very nice.
That's it.
It's so nice that they kept these retired trains.
That's good. At least they kept this old buildings, you know. Part of the heritage.
Yes, definitely. I love learning things, history, Toronto, just history in general.
I'll show you the roundabout now. Here's some more old trains.
Get a little closer.
Beautiful.
Really nice. Any of our viewers liking this scenery?
Look at that.
This
Wow.
little tour that we're taking you on? Leave a comment below.
This is where the trains used to turn around. Amazing.
Beautiful. What a beautiful Sunday. What a beautiful sunny day. It's gorgeous. There must be a reason why they put this one out of commission. I'm behind the wheel. This is so cool.
Yeah. Isn't it? It's awesome.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
even the old tracks.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Take a shot from underground here. Awesome.
Beautiful. Wow, you need a
Excellent.
step ladder just to get on this thing.
Toronto, Hamilton, and Buffalo.
This is so cool.
This is awesome, yes.
I wonder how old they are.
I don't know.
The sign said around, what, 1929?
Yeah.
So it's got to be around that era. They look really, really old.
I just walk up.
Mr. Cameraman is about to hop on this Canadian Express locomotion, or coach.
Hello.
Heidi ho!
Howdy ho, neighbor. Too bad it's locked, you can't get inside.
Yeah, that is so cool if we could get in. That'd be nice if they open up and let people try to experience how it was like inside.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Totally
Good old
awesome.
days.
Oh yes, the good old days.
Must have been awesome just traveling this thing long, long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Just stepping on it brings you back to history.
For sure.
Fun at times.
Makes me want to go back to Pioneer Village. What do you think?
Yeah, one day.
Hey, maybe that'll be our next outing.
Never know.
Any of our viewers interested in that? Leave us a comment below.
That's it.
And
All right, calm down.
all right, watch your step. Take a look at the tracks. These are the old tracks. And the tracks here. Okay.
Yeah, beautiful. So for all you train lovers, I think this is how the engine
That's what I
kind of
think, too.
looks like. Amazing. I think that's the gear what runs. Amazing.
Yeah. We thought we'd show you a little history here. That was really nice to add to our channel.
Yeah, gorgeous.
The Railway Museum.
I don't think it runs, but maybe it does. There's a stop button, so maybe it does show people how it runs.
That'd be nice if they had a little sign to tell us.
Yeah,
Someone does a demonstration or something like that.
yeah, maybe they do in the summertime
Yeah.
because this pandemic thing. I guess they didn't bother.
Things have been, yeah. Beautiful.
Stay tuned.
I hope that you enjoyed this outing, and leave a comment below and let us know what you thought about this beautiful little railway museum here in Toronto, downtown Toronto, just across from the CN Tower. I wish you happiness, all the best, stay safe, share, like, and subscribe. Take care for now. Bye-bye.